Okay everyone, today I'm show you about how to make a delicious spring roll. Yes, and for meat we have a pork meat. Now we slice it to small piece or blend it. Yeah, and then we use shrimp. Yeah, we slice it into a small piece too. Yeah. Into a small piece. And now for the taro we chop it into a small piece too. For this food, for vegetable I made, we need to slice it into a small piece just to make it delicious. Okay, we do it like this until it all. Yeah. Yes, and now I use carrot. Yeah. And we slice it too. We do it like this until it all. And now we make it together. Yeah. Now we have meat, yeah, shrimp, taro, and carrot, and we have a garlic. And now I add some ingredient. It's like chicken powder, yeah, uh, sugar, yeah, salt, yeah, and I add some pepper. For this food, no need to be salt. Yes, it just now I make it together. Yes, and now I use the egg to pack it. Yes, too easy to pack now already. Yes, now I start to pack it. Yeah, we do it like this. Yes, and we use the egg. Yeah. Okay. We pack it like this into the small. Okay, and I pack it until it all, yeah, one by one until all. Okay, now that's all. Just I pack it already, and now I start to fry it. Okay, now I'm frying it. Yeah, we use the cooking oil. Yeah, until it become hot. Yeah, and we fry it. For frying this food, we fry around uh, 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Yes. Now it become red. Okay. And we use the small head, yes, to make it delicious spring roll. Okay, now I take it out from the frying pan. Okay, now it's done for my uh, spring roll. Everyone, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or like, comment. Okay, thank you so much.